What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Aviation Squad, and everyone. And today, this is my first video of making RFS. And guys, I just got pro, so I got all the planes, even this. I got all the planes, guys. I just got pro from last time. Now it's about to be 1 month because I just got 1 month. Now, guys, I'm gonna make another simple planes video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So he might fly. Guys, what you want to fly? Because I don't know what I'm picking. I would say let's go for the. I might make a part 2. So I'm gonna go with the 757. Okay, let's go for deliveries. See what I got. Yes, I had to go with this. I have to go with this, bro. Jet 2. Where you come from? No fresh. Alright. United. I find United. Well, why don't I have Air Trump? I mustn't say Trump. Okay, they don't have that. They don't have that. I want a Boeing triple. United States? No. Ooh, Condor! We find Condor. House? Okay, I got the thing. Bro, we got some Condors, the red, green, yellow, and blue. Wow. Wow. But I love these kind of levers, I guess. Let's just go with this one. And guys, I didn't make a video about this because my sky was glitching. There's like blood spots in it. So tell me in the comments what that happened to y'all too. So let me just show y'all in the sky. But there's not in the monitor that just post this from tonight. So they didn't make the video, so just enjoy it. Hurry up, load. Yep, this is the sky. It's perfect now. What? What are y'all saying? Not using that. And guys, when I just got this game, I didn't know how to really play this game. And I only know how to do You glitch into the plane! In the plane! Get out from the plane! There you go. Board, how much? 295! Didn't know it's 75 so we can do that much. Hey. Well, I feel like I'm just in like doing something that I should never do. Where's my... Wait, what? I'm small or something? Why didn't they come? They didn't come yet. Hey, don't glitch into my plane. Stop glitching into my plane. There you go. It's 10 hours and you literally taking too long. 10 minutes later. Hurry up already. Thank you. Guys, I'm just making sure I don't left no more. I don't left packages because I used to left them packages. So we'll get these two. You got to be kidding, bro. Am I that small? Because how two of them can't come at the same time? Hurry up! Hurry up! Under me? Under? I thought it's under the wing, not. Usually all my planes used to be under, bro. Guys, do not mind that sound because I don't even know what the hell that is. Give me my ACU. Julia could just come because, like, you could stand right there and then, like, go give me the ACU. Whatever they name. I know it's an ACU, but, like, what does it literally actually mean, though? Come on, guys, it's gonna be AFK. I'm going in the room since I don't feel like being in here very much. Jazz was in the kitchen. I was in the kitchen myself. So. Okay. There you go. Okay, that's much. That's enough. Guys, please don't mind my landing because my gear's gonna break when I land. Go get some meals. Guys, and I just used the IDs. I didn't get no meals for my passengers. Number 5, great value. Walmart store brand. Great value meals. It is by sheer volume. Eat your meals already. The price point is genuinely hard to argue. A 16-ounce bag of shredded cheddar costs roughly $3.50, which sounds like a win for the grocery budget. Many of Great Value's shredded cheese varieties contain artificial colors to manipulate the appearance. You're not seeing natural cheddar color. You're seeing the dye job. First, the anti-caking aging powdered cellulose appears in the ingredient list. Cellulose powder is derived from wood pulp or cottonwood. Some brands don't just use it as a preservative. They use it as a filler. You are quite literally paying for human cheese. Great value items come at a lower price, but that often means you're sacrificing quality. The mechanism There you go.
is straightforward. Cellulose is indigestible fiber with zero nutritional value in its context. It pads the weight of your bag and stretches the manufacturer's profit margin. Every ounce of cellulose in that bag is an ounce of cheese you could get. Pick it up and give it a sniff.
Sit down approximately, return to your seat.
That's the cellulose talking. At 22 cents per ounce, cheap stops being a virtue the moment non-food filler becomes a featured ingredient. And the next brand shares the exact same anti-caking.
Guys, it's almost dark. It's
But
just
as
sunset.
labeling controversy on top. Number 4, Sargento. Sargento has been a family-owned Wisconsin cheese company since 1953, and they love to remind you of that. Their packaging screams authenticity, natural cheese, no fillers, American dairy heritage. For some sliced products, that marketing holds up reasonably. But here's the problem. Sargento's shredded cheese varieties contain neomycin, a mold inhibitor that is banned by health-conscious retailers like Whole Foods Market, except
Oh, what's happening to my phone?
It's one reason you won't find Sargento products on those shelves. Then came the legal trouble. The advocacy group Beyond Pesticides sued Sargento in 2021 for allegedly mislabeling its cheeses as antibiotic-free. The allegation: the product's own marketing promise doesn't match what's in the milk supply being used. On top of that, The Environmental Working Group flagged that Sargento products are likely contaminated with dioxins and other organic pollutants, and that antibiotics were likely used in production while hormones may have been used. Natural on the label is not the same as clean in the product. Natamycin, when consumed regularly rather than as an incidental surface treatment,
I
is a
might fly
common
to
use of research that
F-18
believes
next.
it carries negative health effects with repeated exposure.
I could
Since
try.
its ban in cleaner retail
There you
environments,
go.
Sargento shredded cheddar melts
Oh,
into greasy, uneven clumps rather than smooth
guys, he
blends.
didn't put me on the
That's what
runway
happens
like
when mold
right,
inhibitors
so.
interferes with the protein structure of cheese. At $5 for 8 ounces,
And
you're
then,
paying mid-tier prices for a heavily managed industrial dairy product. At least Sargento is selling something that contains actual cheese. The next brand blurs that line in a way that should genuinely make you angry. Number 3, Borden. Borden is one of America's oldest dairy brands. Founded in 1857, the company literally invented condensed milk. Elsie the cow has been their mascot since 1936. Nothing says wholesome American dairy like a cartoon cow with a flower crown. In reality, Borden's modern cheese products are a very different story. The company makes a series of processed and prepared cheese products that are shelf-stable and affordable. But even though there is real cheese used in some products, additional fillers are typically present that make Borden's cheeses potentially harmful. Anti-caking agents and mold inhibitors make up a meaningful portion of the ingredient list. These are not incidental trace additives. They're structural to what Borden is
I
selling.
don't know if I got my
And
pilot's
Borden
license
doesn't
because I
even hide it
counter.
entirely. Certain Borden items are labeled as pasteurized
Short
prepared cheese
runway or
products
long?
right on the
I'm going for a
package.
long
Under the
runway,
FDA
since
standard of identity for cheese,
sometimes I just can't
that
take
phrase
off.
means the product does not meet the legal definition of real cheese. Borden is
That I just
using
order
nostalgia
airplanes. That's
and a
because they ain't
170-year-old
broke.
brand name to sell you something that legally cannot be called cheese. Borden is known for its shelf-stable products and affordable prices, not for health-conscious ingredients. That priority order
I
shows
don't want
up
this to
in
be
the
another
consumer
month. I
bill.
want to play this
The texture
game
of Borden
forever.
processed slices is rubbery and waxy. It bends. It pulls apart in sheets.
One of them say I
Actual
can smell
cheese
you guys
crumbles
from
and
miles.
snaps. It does not
Holy,
bend
bro.
like rubber gasket. But if you want to
Holy.
see what
Getting over
processed and
flies.
mislabeled
So
cheese
what?
truly peaks, hit that like button right now if you've ever bought one of these brands thinking it was real cheese. You are not alone. And
Guys
this
is just
video
being
might just
rude
save
to
your
a
grocery
girl.
trip. Let's keep going.
I will land.
Top
I
3
will
Borden
landing.
brands. Number 2,
He's. I
Kraft
think you
Singles.
meant I will
Kraft
land.
Singles.
But
America's
we.
goated since
But why we
1950.
fight?
The foundation of
That's the
10,000
person
diamond
who
cheeseburgers.
doesn't
A
doesn't
staple in virtually
shower,
every
who
American
doesn't
household.
shower
And one of the most
because he's trying to
legally
impress a girl.
scrutinized processed
Okay,
dairy
bro. Now we
products
have
in
someone who's
FCA
actually toxic
ever
in this
found.
game, bro.
Kraft Singles is
That's
called
my first video
Kraft
finding
Singles,
someone
not
toxic.
Kraft cheese, because it consists of less than
Jackski, you need to come in
51%
this game.
cheese curds.
I don't know if you
That's
can
not a
find
big
us.
deal. That is the
By the way,
direct
Jackski, I'm a
reason why
subscriber.
cheese
Okay,
legally cannot
and
appear as a
say it out to the
standalone
slot
product
clan
on
and
the
say it out to
package. The
the
product is
popular
officially
YouTubers.
classified as a pasteurized
And
prepared
I
cheese
subscribe to
product.
y'all aviation
Kraft's
lovers
response:
and stuff.
before the warning letter had even been received,
Oh my god, it
Kraft
looks so
announced
awesome.
it would change the classification of singles from
The
pasteurized processed
B757's
cheeses
first
to
plate.
pasteurized prepared cheese product, a category for which the FDA has no standard of identity and no approved ingredient list. They didn't fix the product.
I gotta
They
spawn
moved it
this
to a
side instead of
regulatory category
not
for more legal
that
scrutiny.
side.
Then came the recalls. In July 2015, Kraft Heinz issued a voluntary recall after thin strips of plastic wrapper were found to adhere to the cheese slice at the bone, creating a choking hazard. They initially pulled approximately
I don't know why the
36,000
runway is
orders.
cracked. This
By
runway old.
September 2015, that recall had expanded to approximately 335,000 orders. In 2023,
Nice.
Kraft Heinz issued a third separate recall of approximately
Okay, so that's the
83,800
one.
pieces under the same packaging format. 3 choking hazard
I'm
recalls
trying to get up.
across 8 years.
Go up.
Same product, same problem.
I'm not trying to make a funniest moment, please.
One emulsifier
Go
that
up.
gives Kraft Singles its
Go up.
liquid milk is a compound
Go up,
for fear
please.
of calcification
I'm
and
trying to take
cookie
off.
strength when
Go
consumed
up.
regularly,
Yeah.
according to the Nephrology
Oh,
Association. You're not
I
just
did an
eating
overrun.
fake cheese. You're eating
I
fake
just did an
cheese with a
overrun.
compound your kidneys have to actively work to process. Kraft Singles slide on a burger is
Guys, don't even mind that overrun, bro. I just do that all the time. Because I don't take off. Bro, I just can't take off. Wait, I'm sorry. Oh, that's 2 rides, and they long.
It doesn't just fail as cheese. It's been legally barred from calling itself cheese since 2002. Number one,
What is
Velveeta.
going
The worst
on?
betrayal of all comes from the golden brick that built 1,000 quesos. Velveeta, the Super Bowl steak, the liquid gold of processed beer. Velveeta was invented in 1918 by Neil Fry as a way to salvage broken cheese boards. The modern formulation differs significantly from that original. Today's Velveeta starts with milk and
Feels like I'm
water.
just doing a stream right now, guys, but I'm not
And it
actually.
adds milk protein concentrate, canola oil, and modified food starch or structural elements. The FDA noticed the problem in 2002, sending Kraft a formal warning letter demanding that cheese spread be removed from Velveeta's brand. While there are elements of real cheese in Velveeta, calling it actual cheese is a stretch.
Man, I'm
It's
trying to look
precisely why
out of
it
the
is now
plane, bro.
labeled pasteurized or
Bro.
cheese product. It cannot legally be called cheese under FDA rules.
Oh god, I'm
But it's been
lagging.
official since 2002, and the formulation has not meaningfully changed.
Holy
Velveeta
lag,
stores
bro.
it as ultra-processed
Man, take up the
canola
stupid speed limit.
and food processing classification systems. Its ingredient list includes over 15 items.
Luckily, my
Milk
sky is not
protein
dying.
concentrate, modified food starch, sodium phosphate, sodium alginate, sodium citrate, sorbic acid, lactic acid, and two separate synthetic elements. Sodium phosphate, sodium alginate, and sodium citrate are three emulsifying salts that break down natural protein structures to create that smooth, homogeneous gel texture. Sorbic acid prevents marking. Apicarotene
I have to go
not
like
being
this.
supplied with blood flow. And
757,
sodium loads are
757 from the
static.
757.
Velveeta contains approximately 410 milligrams of sodium per 1 ounce. Real cheddar
Hold up,
averages
bro.
around 175 milligrams per ounce.
Okay, I'm
Sorbic
reporting you.
acid grounds. Use a cup of Velveeta in a recipe, and you've loaded your
At this
kitchen
point, I'm gonna
with
mute Dash, bro.
4,000
I'm actually gonna
milligrams
mute
of sodium
Dash.
before adding a single other
Where is he?
ingredient. The American Heart Association's recommended daily maximum is
Where is
2,000
Dash? I'm gonna go mute
milligrams
him.
per day. Melt a piece of Velveeta in a pan and watch it cool into a neon orange homogeneous liquid with zero bulk, zero resistance, and zero behavior of seed conversion. It smells faintly metallic. That's a
I'm
sodium
gonna mute you,
citrate.
bro.
That is not cheese. At around $9 for a 32-ounce bottle, you're buying canola oil and sodium citrate with a thin veneer of dairy preservatives.
Stop being
And the
toxic,
brand is
man.
legally prohibited from calling
Oh.
its product cheese for over 10 years. But enough with the frauds. It's time to see what real cheddar actually looks and tastes like. Here are 5 cheddar cheese brands that are actually real. Number 5, Organic Valley. Organic Valley is a farmer-owned cooperative founded in Wisconsin in 1988, and it has operated on the same founding principle ever since. Let the farmers set the standards, not corporate greed. Organic Valley cheddar is made with core ingredients: pasteurized milk, cheese cultures, salt, and enzymes. No milk protein concentrate, no modified food starch, no emulsifying salts, no cellulose filler, or ingredients. And that is genuinely completely innocent. The brand carries USDA certified organic status and is non-GMO project verified, meaning the cows are not treated with synthetic hormones or preventive antibiotics. The exact opposite of what the EWG flag would suggest. Per 1 ounce serving, approximately 7 grams of protein, 200 milligrams of sodium, and 0 added sugar. Every gram of that protein is from real dairy, not milk protein concentrate, padding, or processed products nutrition. The flavor is mild and clean, a slight tang, and a soft, milky sweetness that is completely absent from every product in that list. No chemical aftertaste, no waxy coating left on your palate. At around $6 to $7 for an 8-ounce block, it's above the price of great value at Kraft. But you're actually buying cheese this time, so the comparison isn't entirely fair. If you want the same clean sourcing with deeper, more complex stage flavor, the next brand takes a step further.
Ah,
Number 4, Beecher's
I forgot I'm
Premium
making a video.
Cheese.
Sorry, guys.
Beecher's launched inside Pike Place Market in Seattle in 2003 flagship cheddar contains pasteurized milk, salt, culture, and enzymes. That is the complete
Me
ingredient list
flying.
of varieties.
This
No
is how
artificial
American pilots be
ingredients,
like.
no cellulose, no Vatamycin, no
Take me
emulsifiers.
home.
In blind
Russian
taste
pilots
testing conducted by Ford,
doing spins.
Beecher's flagship competed for the top spot among all grocery store cheddars tested and delivered the best mouthfeel of any cheese in the evaluation. That's a side-by-side end result, not marketing copy. Per 1 ounce, 7 grams of protein, approximately 170 milligrams of sodium, a lower sodium count than many mainstream brands, and zero fillers contributing empty weight or artificial volume. The flavor is deeply savory, slightly nutty, and genuinely complex in a way that big box cheese and aisles simply cannot replicate. Real aging does things that sodium phosphate and a modified food starch cannot do. At roughly $8 to $9 for a small block, it's a premium, but it's when you're actually getting something. If Beecher's feels
I
too
muted
stretched
him.
to be specific, the next brand delivers that same clean quality with National Grocery Store
Muted
Number 3, Tillamook. Tillamook is a
him.
farmer-owned cooperative out of the Oregon coast. Founded in 1909 and still owned by the same cooperative with local dairy farmers for more than 150 years. No venture capital, no multinational food conglomerate making cost-cutting decisions from corporate power. Tillamook's medium white cheddar is made with milk, salt, and enzymes. It contains no artificial coloring. That is a direct contrast to great value in craft singles, both of which use synthetic coloring to achieve that one appearance. What you see in a Tillamook block is the actual color of the milk it came from. Per 1 ounce serving, 7 grams of protein, 200 milligrams of sodium, 0 added sugar, and 15% of the daily recommended calcium. Tillamook is a bold, smooth, naturally
How's
aged
everybody feeling better
Oregon
now?
cheddar. And it melts in clean, proper cheese pulls because there are no emulsifying salts fighting against the natural dairy proteins. This is what melted cheddar is supposed to look like. At around $6 per 16-ounce block, Tillamook is the most
Fire.
accessible value in this entire universe. You're getting a clean, farmer-owned, award-winning cheddar at a price that makes craft singles look like the scandals. If you want the same quality with more intense, complex flavor from a different dairy tradition, the next brand delivers exactly that. Number 2,
Did
Kerrygold.
all
Kerrygold is an Irish
of
dairy cooperative, and it
y'all
operates on a principle the American mass market dairy industry
report
doesn't prioritize. Let the
him?
cows graze on actual grass for as much of the year as possible, then get out of the way. Kerrygold only uses milk from grass-fed cows that are not treated with RBSD or any synthetic growth hormones.
Yeah.
Grass-fed dairy is consistently associated in nutritional research with higher concentrations of omega,
Please.
3 fatty acids, and
Please.
conjugated
Please.
linoleic acid
Who?
compared to conventionally raised dairy. That's not a marketing claim. It's basic ruminant biology. What the cow eats ends up in the milk. Kerrygold's aged cheddar contains pasteurized milk, salt, cheese cultures, and enzymes. 4 ingredients. Same standard we've been holding every brand throughout this entire video. The reserve variety, aged for 2 years, delivers bold, complex flavor that sports tasting panel describe as the best cheddar for a cheese board in their evaluation. Per 1 ounce, 7 grams of protein, approximately 200 milligrams of sodium, 0 added sugar. The fat content is slightly higher than many domestic cheddars because it comes from genuinely grass-rich dairy milk, not a commodity. The flavor profile includes salty crystals throughout, with a delicately sweet, nutty character and a slightly tropical finish. That complexity comes from clean milk and extended aging. There's no factory process that fakes that. At roughly $6 to $7 per 7-ounce block, you're paying slightly more per ounce than Tillamook, but you're getting 2 years of aging and a dairy tradition with 0 intrusive shortcuts. If you want the single most verified, most award-decorated, and most accessible cheddar in American grocery stores, the number 1 pick belongs to
I'm just
a co-op
typing.
that has been making cheese in the
I'm just typing up a store.
Number 1, Cabot Creamery. Cabot Creamery is a farmer-owned cooperative based in Vermont, founded in 1919, and owned entirely by approximately 1,000 New England dairy farm families. Not a corporation, not a conglomerate, actually actual farm families, voting on actual production decisions, making actual cheese. Cabot cheddar is made with 4 ingredients: milk, cheese cultures, salt, and enzymes. That is the complete list. 0 added sugar, 0 milk protein concentrate, 0 emulsifying salts, 0 synthetic dyes. In independent blind taste testing, Cabot Vermont's seriously sharp cheddar was described as rich,
How am I overspeeding?
earning the title of best grocery store cheddar in head-to-head valuations. Cabot has also taken multiple best
I'm not even
awards from
overspeed.
the American Cheese Society, the most rigorous blind judge
There you
cheese
go.
competition in North America. Per 1 ounce serving, 7 grams of protein, 210 milligrams of sodium, 0 added sugar, and 20% of your recommended daily calcium. The texture is crumbly and firm because those are calcium lactate crystals forming through enzymatic activity during proper aging. You cannot replicate that in a factory process. It doesn't bend. It doesn't slide. It snaps cleanly and melts into proper, stretchy pores. It fills the room with that sharp, slightly acidic farmhouse aroma that immediately tells
Guys, that's the low I'm going. Okay, now.
that you're dealing with something. At around $6 to $7 for a 16-ounce block of seriously sharp and widely available at Whole Foods, Target, Walmart, and most regional grocery chains. Cabot is the gold standard of accessible, verified, farmer-owned American cheddar. It is the best mainstream buy in this entire category. Full stop. That's 5 cheddar cheese brands that belong in trash, and 5 that actually belong in the cart. The difference between them isn't price, and it isn't packaging. It's 4 ingredients versus 15. It's real dairy farms versus corporate emulsifying labs. And now you know exactly which is which. If this video saved you from another Belvita block or a bag of cellulose patch shreds, share it with someone who needs to see it, because most people are still buying these brands on autopilot. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the like button, and drop a comment below with which brand surprised you most. Every comment helps this video reach more people who deserve to know the truth about what they're eating.
It's the picture of convenience. A quick, hot dinner waiting for you at almost every grocery store. But
Alright. It's good. Now he's gone. Gone? Sync rate. Sync rate. One 11 11 1 11,000 11,111. It doesn't even look like I'm overspeeding, guys. If I'm overspeeding, tell me in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'm close to it. I'm not even going straight down. Whatever. Guys, do not judge my landing, please. I think it is. I just put official, like, Boeing A380. We never had the Boeing A380. If they have a Boeing A380, bro, it must like be like the same with the A380, but look different. I'm not even there yet. Okay, guys, this is only gonna be a one video since I'm not near yet. Like, oh my god, there's so much things on the head. Oh my god, not the cutter. Damn, dude. Aviation, bro, a boyfriend. What the hell, y'all just? Bro, why do I have to turn like that, bro? I'm just doing the rudder. I'll be landing soon. But I'm not gonna watch it until I die. I'm gonna watch it as a skeleton. R.I.P. R.I.P. Just gonna go land at Hong Kong. Tell me what I'm laughing. Oh, I'm laughing at this second Sharko video. It would never do that, bro. It would never. Todd, Lusk, F10. Okay. I'm flying the 757 for this. No, nobody speaks Indonesian out here, gang. Yes, because I don't actually speak Indonesian. Because if I speak Indonesian, I gotta turn on English. Because I don't really know how to speak. Just kidding, I do. Yo. But because my teeth is shaky. Do not tell my grandma that. I think she didn't hurt that. gotta go to speed limit. Time to go up. I'm not even close, but I am close, but like, how am I not that close? I just came from there all the way to over here. Just got muted. I just got muted by someone. Okay guys, I'm gonna skip this since I'm kind of like too far away. So let's go for short landing because I don't really want to go there. We're doing short landing because guys, y'all gonna literally see how I land. And guys, please do not laugh when I land because I'm going to cry if y'all just be mean to me. Please. Where's the... Turn them on! Guess we need them off here. Okay, guess we need these on. Glide slope. Glide slope. I just was thinking just flying and I'm playing simple some X-Plane 11. Huh. I landed! Wait, I actually landed! No gear brake! Let's go! Okay, but I did a little... Oh. I'm a front gear brake though. At least we did a good landing. We did a good landing though, like. Emergency. Oh my god, this was like a clash. What if I was try coming from? Oh, there it is. Okay, guys. Ooh, okay, that was kind of fun. That's kind of fun. Okay, we landed. But our front gear's broken. Okay, guys, that can be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what's your favorite part. So, see ya. Goodbye, guys. Hope y'all like this video.